This video has had 342,602 views since it was published, but I feel cheated. Like everything about this particular video, I feel I am cheated. I feel like YouTube do not really award me what they're supposed to award me. I'm not supposed okay, let me just like take it slow so you guys can actually get to understand my pain and you guys to see where I'm coming from of me feeling cheated, like what YouTube did for me, or is it because of niche? Like, I really don't know, but I'm just thinking maybe it's because of the niche, but I can't say precisely, but I just really feel cheated. So let me just give you guys a run through. I'm going to be very quick about it. So let's just go to the reach of this particular video. Let me swipe so that you guys can see. Fine. They pushed out this video. It got to 886,000.9K people, or number of times it was actually shown for people to actually view it and watch. And I was able to get this amount of views, 342,000 views, which is totally fine and good. So you can see the impression click-through rate is actually high, 29.4%. It's high, right? Yeah. So, and okay, I've spoken about unique views. No, so let us now go to the engagement. I'm going to be very quick about this. Okay, so I got, this is actually 1 minute, 14 seconds, which is about the same as usual. Totally fine, no wahala. So let's just go to the audience. This particular video that I made gave me 4.3k subscribers. Yes, 4.3k subscribers. And by the way, guys, if you look down here, you guys can see when I made this video, you can see 220 days ago. It has actually been a while. So let's now go to the revenue aspect. You can see for the revenue, YouTube actually paid me $194.99. Like, this is why I say I feel cheated. For a video that has 342,000 views. Like, almost 343,000, because 340,000, why will YouTube be paying me 194? Let us even see how YouTube actually came about this particular amount. If you look down here, you will see that for every 1k view, YouTube is paying me is 0.57 cents. And do you guys know that this particular video, I actually did it, like this particular video is a 1 hour, in fact, not even 1 hour, over 1 hour. Like, it is not even a short video. Like those people thinking, oh, maybe because the video is not long. It's not a short video. So this is an entertainment niche here. So it's an entertaining video and it's one of my monetized channel. But I don't get why they should be paying me 0.57 cents for an over 1 hour. I don't even know the correct English to actually use right now. I know that this particular video, like, I do get notifications, somebody commented, like, I'm always seeing notifications. So I was like, this particular video is getting engagement. People are commenting. I'm seeing comment notification. I'm seeing likes notification. I'm just seeing, in fact, people are even sharing this particular video. But then I said, okay, let me even see how much it has even given me. Only for me to come right here and I see 194.99. Is this actually fair enough? Like, I don't even know. I don't know what to say regarding this particular amount, because to me, I feel like YouTube cheated me for this particular video. And this is not to discourage you. I'm not here to discourage you that, oh, entertainment niche, blah, 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 blah. But you see, this amount that they are paying me for entertainment needs in this my educational channel, don't worry, maybe by the end of the month, I'm going to show you there's a particular video of mine that have actually gotten me this particular amount in this same channel you guys are watching, this End with Nika. Maybe by the end of the end of the month, I'm going to show you guys, because I want to see how far that particular video can actually go and how much it can actually give me in total before making that video. I want to do it at the end of the month. So what they gave me in that particular video is even more than what this particular video that has over 300k is giving me. And in this my own End with Nika niche, the views I have is not even up to 100k. In fact, it's not even up to 50k views. It's not up to 50k views at all yet. In fact, it's not even, you guys can go and check my channel. It's not even up to 40k views. But the amount that particular, before the revenue of that particular video was actually quite low at the start. But at some point, YouTube now increased. I was shocked. I was like, in fact, I was so eager to make a video about it to like notify you guys that, hey guys, see how much you know me now. My mouth used to close. Anything YouTube is doing like this, I'll have rushed to come and tell you guys. I was like, should I quickly rush and come back? I said, no, calm, hold up, calm down. Save it for the last, save it till month end. So I want to actually film that particular video, maybe on the 30th, yeah, 30th or 1st, yeah. Maybe 30th or 1st, I'm actually going to film this particular video for like showing you guys how much. But like me, I just feel cheated though, because I don't know why YouTube pay me 194.99 for this kind of video. 0.5k, 0.57. Imagine that I have like just 2,000 views. So I'll just be getting $1 for an 1 hour video, over 1 hour. I'll just be getting one. Let me even stop this screen record. I'll just be getting $1. One over 1 hour. Do you know how? Oh my God. I feel so cheated. Is it normal if you're in the entertainment niche and you're monetized? Just let me know. Is it normal for you guys? Like, it's not like I'm new to the entertainment niche, but sometimes some of my videos in the entertainment niche, they actually like pick up sometimes, but this one is totally very bad. And the reason why I'm feeling like this one is totally bad, because even though I have other videos in this my entertainment niche, they are videos that are not long, maybe just like 10 minutes, you understand, 15 minutes. That is long to an extent, but I mean not up to an hour long. So even if they give me 0.57, I'll say, okay, at least for a 10-minute video in the entertainment niche is still okay. But for a 1 hour video, that means those people making movies, how much are they making? Because movies is an entertainment video, right? That means those people making videos, making movies, putting it on YouTube, that means they are not really seeing money the way people think they are seeing money. Right? Because if an 1 hour video, 1 hour long video can be giving you this, hey, I don't understand. I was here thinking, oh, I need to make my own movie because I love acting. I love making movies. I was here thinking, oh, I need to make my own movies. I need to, put out my own movie produced by me. Like, that's one of the things I really want to do. Maybe not now, but later in life, I want to have my own movie. Yeah. Like, it's not like I'm going to be the only one. I'm going to call actors. What with this amount? Hey, maybe YouTube movies don't really pay. Maybe maybe the ones that really pay are the Netflix movies, the cinematic movies. Cause this one is actually so discouraging. If you're monetized and you're in the entertainment niche, please let me know if this is what you're facing too. Let me know. Maybe I should just stop doing 1 hour long video. I should just be doing my 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Actually, the reason why I did this video to be 1 hour long was because I saw my amount, like the money YouTube pay me for the 10 minutes to 15 minutes. I've already seen, I have an idea. You understand? YouTube has been paying me before. This is not the first time. So I have an idea of the amount, and I was like, okay, if they can pay me so and so amount for a 10 minutes long video, maybe I should make it 1 hour long. You get that kind of thing. Maybe it's going to double at least or increase. But to my shock, in fact, it even went lower than a 10-minute video. This over 1 hour long video, it went lower. So this particular video, I know I just came here to rant. That's just how I'm feeling. I'm just looking at it this morning. I was like, eh. So I'm curious. I want to know if I'm the only one facing this, or if we are many in the same WhatsApp group in this situation. If you are many in the same WhatsApp group in this situation, let me know, guys, because I don't want to be left out. All right, guys, please do want to hit on the like button, please, so that YouTube gets to push out this video to more people. Let them know. I need to know what's going on. I mean, those are the entertainment niche only, please. So, because if you're not in the entertainment niche, you might not be able to relate. Yeah, I think it's those people that are in entertainment niche that should be able to relate. Yeah, so please do what to like, do what to comment, do what to share, because